it would be tu hablas, right? Tum bolo.
One and same thing.
Tum
It is not literary translation. Tum bolo, tu bolta, one and same thing.
Oh, sorry. Okay. It's one of the same thing. Okay.
If your tum,
Right.
listen to me. If
Okay.
your tum is
तुम्हें बोलना
singular,
चाहिए.
chahiye, that is what? That is career verb.
Yeah. तुम और तू, it's one of the same thing. तुम and tu, it's one of the same thing in Hindi.
Yes.
Okay. So in Spanish, it would be tu. Tu.
Tu
Right.
hablas. Yes, tu hablas.
Tu hablas. तू बोलता है.
Yes.
Okay. तुझे बोलना है.
That same thing. Tu hablas.
तुझे बोलना है.
See,
आगे.
that is-
Like in future.
that is the same different thing, because तुझे बोलना चाहिए, that is a must verb which we'll use.
Okay.
That is different sense. It is just we are doing
So
very,
yes.
very beginner stage we are doing कि तू बोलता है, मैं बोलता हूं, अब तुझे बोलना
Tu
चाहिए.
hablas.
Yes, अब तुझे बोलना चाहिए. If I ask you, तुझे बोलना, we have to use deber verb. Deber is my verb to must. Deber. So that are different cases.
Deber.
Abhi, I will not explain to you that
Okay.
verbs, because it's a very beginner, that's very first day which we are doing right now, right? So we have a deber
Okay.
verb.
All right.
अब मुझे बोलना चाहिए.
Right.
So that is a
Okay.
career. मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, career verb I will use. But over here, this is a topic which will cover up in the next 2 and 3 days.
So this is the okay. So this is what my confusion was. Tu hablas, tu bolta hai. Right. So this is the basic. Initially we start with this. Oh, this is a basic. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now it's clear.
Because we have a pattern.
Yeah, there was a doubt.
तुझे बोलना चाहिए, तुझे बोलना ही चाहिए. We have a different pattern also, because we will use different verbs for deber and querer. Clear? So if I will say querer, okay, I will explain to you. But अभी आपको कल कराता है pattern. But ठीक है, I will explain to you. Querer. Basically, querer is your helping verb, which is to want. Querer is my helping verb to want. Querer. So if I will say तुझे बोलना चाहिए, I will use querer verb. And then we'll use hablar verb. I will explain to you how we'll use it. But first, we have to understand for the subject. First, we have to understand the subject.
Okay, right.
Like what is subject in Spanish? Is that clear to you?
Okay.
So speak up. Yo is I.
Yeah.
Speak up. Yo is I.
Yo is I.
You is you informal.
Who is you informal?
L is he.
Okay, and
speak up. L is he.
L is he. Iya is she. Usted is you informal.
You formal.
You formal.
If I'm saying aap, that is abla. Because o as a, what the formula you have done over here? O as a. O as a. So ablo is my me. Ablas is your tu. Abla is my he, she, and af, which is el, iya, usted. Is it clear to you?
Okay, abla is aap.
Abla is aap because this is with usted. If you will say abla, that is aap bolo.
Okay.
Because see, listen to me. El, iya, usted. What is el? Is he. What is iya? Is she. And usted is aap. So usted will conjugate with abla. Iya with conjugate with abla, and el we conjugate with abla. So el, iya, usted, that is abla. Is that clear to you? If I ask to you, habla español. If I'm habla español, por favor. Habla español, habla. If I'm saying habla, there is ab bolo. Hablas español, there is tu bolo. Is that clear to you?
Okay.
Is that clear to
habla español.
you?
Yeah, what does it mean? Habla español.
Español is Spanish. Habla is speak.
Okay.
Because ab bolo Spanish.
Okay.
Ab bolo Spanish. Habla is because see, listen to me. We have verb hablar. Okay. Habla is my verb to speak. Clear. Now, we have done very simple hablo. Clear? Hablas.
Hablar means to speak.
Yes, a full verb to speak, because we have to break the verb. Bolna with bolta hai, because habla is my full verb to speak. The moment I will conjugate my hablar with I, we, he, she, it, we have to break the verb. Is that clear to you?
Okay.
No, do you understand this or not? I think you don't understand this. Did you understand?
Yeah, hablar is to speak. Okay. Now, hablo is tum tum bolo.
No. Listen to me. In Spanish language, listen to me very carefully. Basically, in Spanish language, we have a parent verbs. Like, for example, we have verb hablar, which we have air ending verb. Hablar. Okay. We have AR ending verb. So this is we called as a parent verb. Hablar. Full verb. Hablar. The moment I want to conjugate, hablar is my full verb. This is my full verb pattern, which we call as infinitive verb. Hablar. Hablar is to speak. It is not like English. Yo hablar, tu hablar. No. Basically, hablar is my full verb to speak. And in order to conjugate with I, he, she, you, it, I have to break AR and convert O as A, amos, is, an. Now, you know what is O? O belongs to yo, which is I. If you will say, because with I, we will add ablo. With I, we will add ablo. With two informal, we will use hablas. Clear? Is it clear to you? With he or she, he is my L.
Now, I want to understand from this. Okay. If I have to say, मैं बोलता हूँ स्पेनिश, मैं स्पेनिश बोलता हूँ, ठीक है? Then I will use yo hablo español.
Exactamente.
Okay.
Yo hablo español.
Now, going forward, if अगर मुझे कहना है, if I have to say, तुम स्पेनिश बोलते हो, then I would say, tú hablas español.
Exactamente, muy bien, señor, muy bien, exactamente.
Now, number 3, अगर मुझे कहना है, if I have to say, वो स्पेनिश बोलती है, then I would say, ella habla español.
Exactamente.
Okay, now number 4, I'll for this usted
is आप, usted, because we have a C subject, él, ella, usted, which will close with habla.
Okay, now I have to understand this usted thing. Usted habla español.
आप स्पेनिश बोलो.
usted, okay, इस usted का इस्तेमाल जो है ना, वो होगा आप, अगर किसी ने बोलना है, लाइक सपोज अगर मैं बोलता हूँ आप स्पेनिश बोलो, सो usted यहाँ पे यूज होगा, राइट?
Yes, usted is basically आप in Hindi. Which is you.
Now, इसको कैसे करेंगे? Hablos, habla, hablamos, hablayas, वो कैसे होगा?
Yes, exactamente. Nosotros, speak up. Nosotros, speak up. Nosotros. Nosotros is basically your
nosotros.
We. Hum. We. Nosotros is basically your we. Nosotros is basically your...
Nosotros meaning is we. Like if you, me, and somebody else are sitting in a car,
we.
So nosotros, that will be called nosotros.
Exactly. And with nosotros, we have an ending of amos. With nosotros, We have an ending
Amos.
of.
Okay. So okay. Amos.
Amos.
Okay. Now I will use it. Nosotros hablamos español.
Exactamente. Bien. Now we
Is
have.
it correct?
Exactamente. That is all correct. Perfecto. Vosotros. Vosotros is basically your gathering of.
Vosotros mean?
Gathering of you people, you guys. You guys, you all.
The whole class. The
Yes,
whole class.
you all. Vosotros.
Okay. So you all. So इसमें फिर आमोस यूज होगा.
Ice. O as a amos ice. Ice belongs to vosotros.
Okay, now I have a question in this. Okay, now nosotros means we. So there's a certain number of certain number of people, certain number of gathering, which makes nosotros and which makes vosotros. So like how do we come to know
exactly
whether
if
we
you're talking for the individuals, if you're talking for the people, you people all, taking hum people, you're saying you people please speak Spanish. For example, we have 10 people in the classroom. Okay, I will say you people please speak Spanish. I will say habláis español. I cannot say hablamos. I cannot say habla. I will say habláis because I'm saying vosotros, you all. If I will say hum Spanish, we speak Spanish, then we have hablamos. Is it?
Okay.
You are doing a stage show. For example, listen to me. Okay. For example,
there is something.
You are doing a stage show, and you say, all of you, please speak habláis. Habláis. Is that clear to you?
Okay. Now, yes, it's clear to me. Now, let me tell you what I have understood from this. Okay, suppose if you are saying like if you are ordering someone, like you have to speak Spanish, then you will use vosotros vosotros habláis español.
It is not for ordering. It can be request. But if I'm representing the number of people, if I am representing the number of people, I am saying आप please Spanish बोलिए, आप लोग please Spanish बोलिए, आप लोग, that is vosotros.
Okay. Now here is one point.
Okay, listen. आप एक second. आप लोग is vosotros, हम लोग is nosotros. आप लोग is vosotros, हम लोग is nosotros. Is that clear to you?
Okay, आप लोग में it could be 3 people, 2 people.
Yes.
4 people and whole group of 40 people. आप लोग. Yes. हम लोग could be 2, 3, 10, 40, 100. Okay, हम लोग would be, whether there are 2 people and 100 people, it would be nosotros. आप लोग, whether there are 2 people or 100 people, it would be vosotros.
Exactly.
आप and हम. Okay, exentiante. Okay, got it.
Now we have ellos, ellas. Okay. Whenever we have a male,
ellos, ellas.
Whenever we have male plural, male, they, we, male plural, which is ellos. Whenever we have a female plural, which is ellas.
Ellas.
We have they in English way, they. We have they in English, right? They, They, they.
Yeah.
We have they, right? They, ellos, ellas. We have they, right? Ellos, ellas.
Correct. Yeah.
So ellos is basically your they which is a male, they, ayos, and ayas we have female. Is that clear to you? Lot of males.
Okay, yeah.
If you're asking for
ayos,
hablan.
If they are
number of male, you will say they speak Spanish. They. If you're saying they speak Spanish, they. Ellos hablan español. If females, number of females, ellos hablan español. Is that clear to you?
Can you please write it here so I will keep remember it?
That's not a problem because every session is under recording. You can see the recording one more time. That's not a problem. So they, ellas, they, and which is a male plural. We have plural male, and ellas we have plural female. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Ellos,
okay.
ellas hablan.
Plural male, plural female.
Yes. Hablan. Is that clear to you?
Okay. Okay.
Now
yes,
let's take an example. Okay.
Plural female.
Yes, let's take an example of Deskansar is to rest. Now I will speak in Hindi, not in English, and you have to understand, right? मैं rest करता हूँ. Yo, मैं. Descanso. तू rest करता है. तू descansas. Is that clear to you? वह रेस्ट करता है, वह रेस्ट करती है, वह रेस्ट करता है, वह रेस्ट करती है, आप रेस्ट करते हो, आप सिंगुलर आप रेस्ट करते हो. दैट इज él, ella, usted descansa. Is that clear to you? Now हम रेस्ट करते हैं. Nosotros descansamos.
Nosotros descansamos. हम रेस्ट करते हैं.
आप लोग सभी रेस्ट करते हो. Vosotros descansáis. वे रेस्ट करते हैं. वे can be ellos, male. Ellas can be descansan. Is that clear to you?
Descansan.
Is that clear to you?
Okay. I'll do a homework on it.
Definitely. See, 1 second. What you can do is, I will share the entire recording with you. Entire recording I will share. In your WhatsApp, whatever we have done today, because obviously, see, you know what? This is, what is the program we call that? This is basically a program wherein, this is not a program wherein you will clear daily A1, daily A2. No, that's this is a program wherein with the help of verbs. अब जैसे we have done the present tense, as, amos, aisan, in the same way we have to go in the past also, because in the rest, the first 4 days is very crucial. It's very crucial. Why? Because we do a lot of activities basically. Abhi to today we haven't done we haven't done any activity, but yes, the moment will increase the project, like if we spend 1.5 an hour, 2 hours, right? So we'll do a lot of activities. We'll speak, we'll play with the past verb, we'll play with the future verb, then we'll collaborate all the verbs and we'll make a theater. Is that clear to you?
Yeah. So there's one more question just rose in my mind. What, like A1 level, what is the inclusion in A1 level?
1 second, please. Yes, tell me. Tell me.
A1 का जो लेवल है, जो हमने उस दिन बात की थी, उसमें क्या
उसमें क्या
इंक्लूड होता है?
A1 कितना होता है? Yes, A1 में क्या होता है? We have alphabets, we have phonetics, we have tone, we have present tense, past tense, and future tense, right? Okay. And we have a little comprehension passages, a little very small comprehension. We have 200 vocabularies which we'll work on in A1 level. Okay. We have a bit listening, we have countings, we have days of the week, month of the month name of the month, right? We have some fruits name, we have some vegetables names, and a bit comprehension passages we have. For example, there's some practice portion also. The practice portion is all about, for example, I will say, describe your house, describe your city, describe your, what I would say, your playground, describe your. So this is something which we call as daily A1 program. But in day, if you will start from a daily A1, I would not tell you these type of things in A1 first, because in A1, daily A1 for Spanish, basically we have, first A, B, C, D. Okay, we have first tone. We'll work on. We'll spend like 4 to 5 days in the tone and the verbs. Then we have a greetings like "Cómo estás? Estoy bien. ¿Y tú?" Is it clear to you? Está bien. Está bien. Yeah. So gracias. We'll do very normal terms. But in this program, enough, just say today you spend, because today obviously it is just, I just want to give you the things like how we can start off with this. But the moment you will fix your schedule, because the schedule has not been fixed, we'll start first with 3 theaters. Now you will say how the theater will come up, the theater will come up. Because I don't have verbs, so we spend 2 hours in these theaters. In the first hour session we'll do verbs. Then we'll take a break of 5 to 10 minutes. The next 1 hour we'll do a 2 and 3 theater. So it will come to the concept basically. But for these programs, we'll do, because obviously now we have done, the present tense. Second day we'll do past tense, then present and past and future, and then we'll go for a journal. This we call as a newspaper reading. We'll get a bit vocabulary. We'll sure. Down, right, and then we'll work on this. This is something like a different pattern.
Fine, got it. So what time is suitable for you tomorrow?
Tomorrow, you tell me. You have to fix your schedule first. What time you're looking forward? You need a 3 o'clock final time.
What time is the free? I will work on.
We can definitely take the session by 3 o'clock. I think it's fine with me. 3 o'clock.
Oh, no, but I would be interested in like to visit in person for the class.
And that's fine. You can come over here. That's not a problem. You can come over here. You can come over here and we can start the session by tomorrow.
Done. And what about the fees? When should I give it?
That I will speak to you in a telecom, because this is a recording session. So I will speak to you in a telecom, right?
Okay, no problem.
Okay.